Hello guys, how is going on? Hope everyone of you really very fine. Here I am Alok Kumar and you are in Rainbow White channel. Today we have to discuss on USA or United States of America. It's cover 3.8 million square miles, or you can say 9.8 million square kilometers. And by having a huge geographic area, US become the third largest country in the world area-wise. Most of the country is situated in the central of North America, between Canada and Mexico. The capital is Washington, D.C., and the most populous city is the New York City. This is the flag of United States of America, and here is the symbol of coat of arms. The national language is considered as English. Majority of the religions is belong from Christianity. The president directs the executive branch and federal government. Present president or head of government is Donald Trump. Vice president is Mike Pence, and the House Speaker is Nancy Pelosi. The USA is a powerful and rich country in the continent of North America. The country consisting of 50 states, a federal district, 5 major self-governing territories, and various positions. Alaska is situated in the extreme northwest of America. Because the island of Hawaii is also a part of USA, the country extends its area into the Pacific Ocean too. USA is a diverse and multicultural country, and its economy is the largest in the world. The population of this country is approximately 318 millions. The currency is US dollar. In God We Trust is considered as the national motto of America, which is printed on dollar bills. After English, Spanish is the most spoken language here. The United States of America was established as a country on July 4, 1776, when the Declaration of Independence was issued. Silicon Valley in California is the center of the world's computer industry. Baseball, American football, basketball, and ice hockey are the most popular sports to watch and play. The border that separates Mexico from United States is considered as the busiest international boundary in the world. Around 350 million people cross it legally every year. The world's longest land border is the one between the USA and Canada. The state Alaska is situated at the most east and west part of that country. The Statue of Liberty is situated in New York City, and that is originally given to America by France. The most crowded city is New York City with over 200 zip or postal codes. The White House in Washington, D.C. has been home to every American president except George Washington. The Smithsonian National Air and Space Museum in Washington, D.C. is the most visited museum in the USA with 9 million visitors every year. Death Valley, it's a desert in California which is considered as the hottest place in USA. The temperature goes above 56 degrees centigrade. Yellowstone National Park, established in 1827, is the oldest national park in the world. One very interesting thing, do you know that more than 3 billions of pizza are sold in a year in USA? The USA has a long industrial heritage. Manufacturing, farming, commerce and tourism are the vital to the economy, and New York City is the world's main financial center. The baseball is the national sport of America, which was played first in 1846. The American bison is the national animal of USA. It is as fearless as the bald eagle, as strong as oak, and inspiring as a rose. Bison is the largest animal in North America. This is also known as American buffalo. The United States uses 18% of the world's energy. There is no official language in USA. However, in practice, the national language of United States is English. The United States invented the internet. Hope all this information I have discussed in that video will help you a lot. If you have any queries, you can let me know. And in that present situation, world is suffering because of COVID-19. So I would like to say every one of you, do take care and be safe. Use sanitizer, always use your mask whenever you are going outside. So be safe and try to be at your home most of the time. Thanks a lot. I'm coming soon with another video. Take care.